What's up guys? Today's video is going to be in regards to a request video that I received on how I wash my 2019 two-door Jeep Rubicon JL. Now, Ruby is a little dirty right now because it's been downpouring here a lot in Oregon, and I'm not about to sit out here and wash my car in the rain, and I never take, my truck in the rain, and I never take my Jeep through a car wash just because I'm not about to have other people's rock particles scratch my paint or have my tail lights ripped off in the process. So, without further ado, this is kind of what I do, like the Montel Jordan song. This is how we do it. Okay, so, first off, I use the Meguiar's Gold Class car wash. It's like, has a little bit of wax in it too, which is nice. So it leaves the vehicle with a really waxy looking finish, like you just freshly waxed it. And I love this stuff. It's the only car wash that I've been using ever since I had the 350Z. So I've been using this stuff for a long time, and it's definitely a night and day difference compared to other car washes that I've used before, other type of car washing products. So what I do is I fill up this big bucket like this with warm water, and then I put the car wash solution in there. And then as far as cleaning goes, I got this thing from AutoZone. It's an extendable pole type of, excuse the air compressor you guys, that's just the air compressor in my garage making that noise. Hopefully it shuts off here in a moment. But basically this mitt is great because it's got a long extendable pull on it, so you could extend it even further out. And I use this when it comes to cleaning off the hard tops because I'm so short and I can't reach, so it's perfect for that sort of thing when you're really trying to get up there. And plus, the cool thing about this little mitt, you guys, is it's microfiber. It moves like this, and it also, see, it moves like this, which is cool. And it also comes off the stick, so you could use it as a glove type of mitt. So you could use it that way too. So that's what I use for that. And then as far as cleaning goes with getting into like the grill or the lights or really scrubbing the vehicle, I use a microfiber mitt, glove type of mitt, just that, so that way I'm really getting everything scrubbed super well. So I wash my vehicle in sections. Hopefully this air compressor shuts off soon, guys. I'm so sorry that it had to just pop on. So I wash my vehicle in sections. I first start off with the two freedom panels and the windshield. And then I'll go down to the hood. And then I'll go down to the grill. And then the bumper. And then I will do each side of the vehicle an individual section. So one side at a time, really, with the fender. Scrub this little vent really good all the time, and then my doors and everything, and mirror and all that good stuff. Just typically how you wash your vehicle. Make sure to rinse it off super good as well too, so you're not getting soap residue left on it. And you just really want to scrub it super good. And then the rock sliders, here's how these are holding up. They're super great. These aren't scratches on them or anything, folks. These are basically just road debris. That's all this is. My vehicle really needs to be washed. It's got bird crap on the side. It's just really dirty. But hey, it's a Jeep. So as far as what I use to clean my wheels and tires is I use this brush. It's specifically made for wheels and tires. The bristles on it are very soft. They're not hard or rough. I got this from AutoZone. It's basically super great because it really does get in every little nook, every little cranny in these big, beefy wheels. And especially with having such big tire tread too, it really gets in good with your tires when I just scrub. So it fits pretty well diameter wise, but I love this brush. It's been great. It doesn't scratch anything either, which is awesome. And then this little guy, I used to use this all the time when I had the STI to clean off the mud flaps. That's the whole point of this one. Don't need that anymore. And then, last but not least, you guys, I don't like laying this on the ground. So this right here This is my small microfiber towel. I use this to dry the Jeep when I'm done washing it, just because nothing looks worse than a vehicle filled with water spots. It just is not a good look. It's like, if you're gonna wash your vehicle, do it right and make sure it looks its best. So I always use this directly after washing it, just to get all the water spots off. This is my little towel, actually. I don't know, the big one, my dad could have borrowed that for washing the motorhome or something, but this one's the little one, and I do have a bigger one. This one I got at Walmart for like $6, something like that, and then the big one I got for $10, but it's a different brand entirely. Okay, so moving on to the inside. Now, this product I use, and this is another product here that I use, is Armor All cleaning wipes and Armor All leather care. I have used the McGuire's leather care, but it is extremely glossy and really streaky looking. So here's an example, guys, just to let you know how the Armor All cleaning wipes look. I clean my Jeep on the inside at least once a week. So I cleaned this side of the dash for you guys, just for comparison. So I just cleaned that, looking all fresh. And then this side here, it's got a little bit of stuff on it, but that's kind of the difference. It really cleans it super well. No streaks, no residue. Same with the cup holders. I love these cup holders because they hold your drink super well. They're awesome. But yeah, I just cleaned those with that. And then as far as the seats go, I just washed this seat so you guys can tell the difference. It is a tad bit streaky, to be honest, you guys, this stuff. Especially with the black leather seats. I feel like I never had this issue in the 350Z because those seats were tan. But these streak a lot. They get streaky, especially after first cleaning them, but once you've sat in them after washing them for a bit, they look like this seat does. There's no streaks on it. This one has not been cleaned, by the way. You can maybe kind of tell, but I try to wash my seats at least once a week. And then with the streaky here, you'll be able to probably see this, potentially. Somewhat here, yeah, here we go. This is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. So I left part of it unwashed just to show you guys what I mean with like how it looks like a gloss, like a darker. See this compared to this. So you really got to scrub. You really got to scrub. And keep in mind, you guys, this was all cleaned using one wipe. The wipe is still wet, but then again, like with the wipe still being wet, I feel like it doesn't clean that good. It doesn't get all your whole surface that well. You can even see right here, this is all like mist. So I got to go back over that because this was when I was about ready to run out of the wipe here. But here's how it kind of looks when it's being applied, just to show you guys real quick what it's like. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this. Sorry, my camera looks kind of shitty right now because I don't have a mount or anything, and I'm the only one who uses this channel and makes videos. So I'm gonna just show you guys kind of how it looks. See how it makes it look kind of black? And then I gotta go over this too real quick for you guys. Okay. But here's how it makes it look kind of black. I usually go with like up and down sort of motion or side to side depending on what I'm cleaning. But yeah, it gives it this like glossier look where it almost looks wet is the verbiage I guess I'm trying to use. So, something that's kind of bothered me, I guess, from factory that I want to almost say, hey, well, hold on guys, this looks kind of, there we go. Or I want to almost say, hey, what the hell did you guys do to my seat? So it's been like thread right here that they just kind of like half-assed it. They didn't clip it. And it's not like that on the other side of my seat. So check your seats, guys, especially when you're paying, you know, this type of money, like 30, 40, 50, 60,000 plus. Like my Rubicon was a lot of money. We're talking MSRP on it was like 58 grand. And so I would just really appreciate if they would have took the time to make everything look like flawless. That to me is not flawless. It sticks out, the threading there. It's like 2 pieces of thread. So now I got to go get my little sewing scissors and cut that thread out, without cutting the leather, of course. So that's just one little defect I've noticed from factory. So hopefully your guys' don't look like that, like mine. So I hope that video was helpful, guys, kind of with how I clean my Jeep, what products I use, and kind of how I do it. Later on, once I get a mount, once I get an actual camera opposed to this iPhone, I will be making a video showing you guys the process for how I clean my Jeep. I think that'll be really helpful, just to show you guys how I wash it, with me washing it. And until next time, guys, like I said, if you have any other requests, please feel free to hit me up and I'll be happy to make a video. Thanks again, guys. Bye.